Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. I hope you've all had a wonderful week. It's Friday freebie day and we are on number 55. So today I thought I would bring you some little journaling cards. Now these could go into any type of journal really. So I've got 5 little cards and then I've got 5 little strips of paper which actually go with the cards. So I've got the same papers on there, and I think these would look really nice down the edges of your pages. So if you had sort of like your page of your journal, you could just pop it down the edge like that. I thought it would look really nice, or along the top of the page. But these are a to-do list, a reminder, we've got notes, don't forget, and schedule. So I think these are really nice. So I'm going to show you what I have been doing. I have made like a little sort of concertina card here with a little bit of seam binding on it. Now this just pulls out and then you can write on it. So I did put this on, stick these onto card, and I think this card is a little bit too thick. I think if I did it again I would use paper, even coffee stain paper or anything with sort of like 160 gram. This is too thick I think. But it still looks really nice, and it's quite nice because it could even stand up onto your desk, but it would be better on thinner paper if you're going to pop it into a journal. So I think it's really nice, and what I've done, I've just popped the strips of paper on the fold lines, and then it just concertinas up and like that. So I think that's a really nice one to pop into a journal. I have also done these here, which what I have done, I've printed these onto some sticker paper. So you've got your little stickers and they're really simple to cut out. Obviously no major fussy cutting this week, it's just straight lines, so you can just cut them out on your paper trimmer. So these are lovely little stickers like that. And then this is also on sticker paper, so you've got your own washi tape really on here. So these are perfect, so you could just cut little bits off and stick them on with your little stickers here, so they're anything to embellish a page, which I think is really nice. So they're fun to do. I've also, on this one, I used all the scraps on here and just made like a little journaling card on there. So I think I would probably just sew around the outside like that. You could stick something in the middle. I think it looks really nice just like that. Pop that into a journal to write on, so that's nice. And then these here, what I've done, I've made some lovely little paper clips, really simple, very basic ones. And all as I did, I've taken a piece of this. I'm loving this colour. I think this might actually go in my Oceanic Adventure journal, so I might be using a little bit of this. What I did, I didn't use sticker paper, I just used normal 160 gram paper. I folded it over like that, cut it off, and then I popped a paper clip inside like that, and then I've just rounded the edges. Now that is so simple. And then I made 2 of each one, and then I made a little journaling pad, little notebook like that. Just pop the top of the paper just over so it folds over. So you've got 5 lovely little pads, and then you've got 2 little paper clips to go with it. So if you're somebody that likes to, if you've got a pen pal, or you like to send happy mail out, I think these are absolutely perfect. You could just clip those on there, pop that in an envelope in the post, and you've got a lovely little happy mail. So I think that's cute, and these are nice as well. I know it's a long way away, but making these things up to go into little like stocking fillers as well is really nice for Christmas, or in a little birthday bag. So you've got all of these that actually go together. So you've got 5 lovely little gifts here, which are just gorgeous like that. So I think they're lovely. So that is what I've been making. So I'm looking forward to seeing what you are going to come up with, but I'm just loving them, really do. And I'm liking these on sticker paper as well, because they're just nice little ones that you can just pop in happy mail or pop into your journals in little pockets, so you've got a little sticker to pop out. And this, which is the lovely little washi tape. the little journaling card, and then we've got the little concertina one. But again, do it on sort of like thinner paper if you're going to do something like this, because it really is a bit too thick. And then I just popped a little bit of seam binding on there like that. So there we go, guys. That is your lovely Friday freebie for this week. This is how it's going to come to you when you print it off. So please do, if you're not in the Facebook group, there is a link down below so you can join. These will, if you're not on Facebook at all and you really don't want to join Facebook, you can get the Friday freebies in my Etsy shop. I pop them in sets of 4. So the next set of 4 will go out next Friday. And they are at a really minimal cost, just to cover my Etsy fees. That's the only way I can do it for people that aren't on the Facebook. But if you're in the Facebook group, these are all free. Just go there, join the Facebook group, and you can print them all off and have lots and lots of fun making. So there we go, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you all soon. All right, guys, take care. Bye bye.